guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Peacock Gaming, and today we're gonna do a role play with some boys. So let's get started. Yep, and my sister's here. Hey, where are you, Sparkly? Here I am. Huh? Here I am. Oh. It'll make me fall. Come here. Look what I found. What? It's a bush. Oh. And look, it has some blueberries. Let's eat them. Wait, okay. Let me call our friends. Okay. Shiny. Oh, Sparkly. Did I hear someone coming in? Yep, Sparkly, hi. Hey, you're Sparkly. I'm Shiny. Oh, yeah. I mixed your name. Hi. Hi, Rainbow. Oh, hi, guys. So, a bush. Yeah, it's got some really yummy blueberries in it. Hey, where's Buttery? Oh, here I am. Oh. Did I hear someone saying there's blueberries around here? Yep, and we're gonna eat them. Yep. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, wait up. So good. Hey, guys. Yes? It's getting kind of late if you look in the sky. Oh, so yeah. So we will need some food. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. 1 hour later when it becomes darker. Guys, it's getting really, really dark. We will need to get some food. And so we can, survive in the night. So let's go bring our food to our nest. Okay, I saw a nest. So some of you, no, we need to go to our nest. Okay. So some of you, guys, me and Buttery will go out in the forest. It's our turn today, and we're gonna find some food. So here is the big nest. You all can go on it. Oh, it's so soft. Yeah. Oh, this looks so soft. I'm gonna come. No, Buttery, you have to come with me. Oh, yeah. Here. Oh. And okay. Sparkly, come on. Okay. All right, so it's you and me. Let's go out in the wild. Ooh. When they arrive to the forest. Hey, Buttery, where are you? Coming. Just couldn't really see because it's really dark. Buttery, did you see something? No. Maybe it's just the wind. There it was again. Ooh, is it a ghost? Look, some blueberries. Let's go get it. Quickly get to the blueberry. Come on, let's hurry. There it is again. Hurry! What's in the wash, guys? Guys, why do you look so scared? We saw something in the woods, and it was creepy, and it made a sound like ooh. Maybe it could be another bird. No, there can't be any birds at night. to the forest at night.
But I would.
Guys, I'm the bravest, so let me go and see. Well, you can just,
Okay,
arrive to the forest. I have no idea what they're talking about, but, runs back.
They saw. What do you saw?
Guys, let's figure this out in the morning. It's getting really late.
Okay.
So, who's the chicken now? Let's figure this out. Guys, stop. Let's figure this out in the morning. Right now, we have to go to bed. In the morning. Guys, should we go now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, yeah.
Everyone go to the forest.
Okay, I'm gonna come.
I have no idea what they're talking about. Looks like it's not here. Guys, it can't be here because it only comes at night, remember? Oh, yeah.
It could be at, like.
Guys, let's wait here in the night. Come on, let's hide in a bush.
Oh, I see like a leafy plant.
No, wait, there's one over here.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go in this one. Come
Okay.
on, guys. Get in here.
Quickly, Buttery. Don't show anyone. In nighttime.
A few hours later. Guys, I think I see something walking. Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Guys, shh, shh. Everyone, shh. Okay. Got ya. Oh, please don't hurt me.
What kind of bird is that?
Who are you? I'm an owl. My name is Brownie. Who are you? Are you gonna hurt me? No, of course not. I was thinking the opposite of you. I think I saw you the other night. Yeah, I saw you. I was really scared, so I just ran. Oh, well, nice to meet you, Brownie. What are you doing? Step away from him.
Yeah.
Guys, it's okay. He's nice. He's not mean or anything.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Brownie.
And what kind of bird are you?
I'm an owl. Oh,
Nice.
that's Brownie. Should we go and get some blueberries together? Okay, sure. Can we be friends? Yeah, of course.
Ooh, that's a whopper owl.
Let's grab some blueberries. Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Oh, look at that one. That's big.
Okay, guys, I think we have a handful. Let's go ahead and go in our nest and eat them.
Okay.
Ooh, you have a nest?
Yeah.
And can I ask you a question? Yeah? How can you see in the dark? Well, owls can see really, really, really good in the dark. Oh, I didn't know that. That's really cool. Maybe you could help us find some blueberries in the forest next time. Okay, sure.
Because I have big eyes, so that's why I can see in the night.
Okay. Let's go ahead and swim peacefully.